Idol, nagbo-boxing ka ba dati? Kasi ang tagal ko nagbo-boxing, hindi gumaganda katawan ko. Ang boxing is a form of cardio. Para makita yung maging lean, kailangan calorie deficit. Para magka-muscle, kailangan stimulate, meaning workout. Workout with weights, workout body weight. Tapos yung mga nagtatanong na beginner program, may libreng 1 week program kami binigay ni Mrs. Magagamit nyo yan hanggang 1 taon, pati yung diet plan. Ngayon, kung tinatamad kayong hanapin, basic body weight squats, body weight push-ups, pull-ups, plank. Yung 4 lang na yan. Gaganda katawan nyo. Ngayon, kung may weights kayo, lagyan nyo ng weights. Body weight squats, squats with weights, dumbbell o barbell, pull-ups o lat pull down, plank, o lagyan mo plank with weight. Gaganda katawan nyo. Tas calorie maintenance para mag-maintain, tas mag-body recomp, magiging muscle siya, or di kaya calorie deficit para mawala yung body fat, mas makita yung muscles. Ganun lang po yung ka-simple, ka-basic. Kailangan disiplina, sipag at syaga. It takes time. Tama kayo, mali ako, I'm not your doctor. Do what works for you. Happy, healthy.